video driving. I did it once before. I wanted to make a video, with the charts and my typical setup, but I fell asleep. I was tired. Oh man, I'm talking about getting under the covers. And I'm talking about, getting all snuggled up right around 11 o'clock. I had a pretty good market day. Yesterday, let me see. Well, yesterday, terrible day, right? It was the worst down day ever, whatever it was. And so yesterday was a pretty bad day, but today was better than yesterday, and even then some, because at the end of the day yesterday, I decided to go long. I just bought like 3 Amazon calls thinking the market was going to go up, because I still like I just like the way it was trading all day, even though it broke that 1800 support, or 1700. I don't even remember the big 1700. And what was I going to say? I'm trying to concentrate. So anyway, big pop this morning, right? Limit up. I was like, yeah. So I sold those immediately and I went to bed. I made all my profits in a couple of seconds. So that's what's up. That was my trading day. And then I woke up around the president's speech. I went to bed under the covers. I was tired. I wanted to make a video. I was sitting in my chair where I do make the videos, and I fell asleep. So I just got up and totally went to bed. Then I woke up because I had CNBC playing. I woke up on that president's speech about 3:30, and I was curious, like, at 3, why is he making this speech at 3:30 and not 4? So I was like, he must think it's going to be kind of bullish. So he started. So I heard it. It was 3 o'clock. I'm still in the bed, and I'm listening to the speech, and I got my screen up, looking at the futures. And they start tanking. I'm like, oh, typical speech, because he ain't really talking about nothing. I declared it a national emergency, and we got funds. And so I'm watching the market going down, and I'm just shaking my head. Here we go again, because the market wants an economic package. What are you going to do economically? And I guess Congress and the Senate, I guess they're still working on that this weekend or today, even maybe tomorrow. So he started saying all that, and then he started talking about different things he's doing to get us tests and drive-through tests, and how Walmart's participating in Google. He started name dropping, and the market still started going up, up, up. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, is this a fake out? Is this the fake out before the big drop the last 5 minutes? And then I just started thinking, I'm like, wait a minute. Remember the futures was down 700 points in the middle of the night. So I was like, oh man, because I put those long trades on. I was like, oh, damn, all right, I lost money today again. So a little later on in the evening, the futures started being positive. So we had a reversal in the futures last night from 700 points down to limit up. Now that's bullish, right? But I'm still thinking, man, they're taking this back because, a lot of people are trapped. A lot of longs are trapped up above. They're going to sell, and immediately, sure enough, like I sold, everybody else sold. So we went from limit up, kind of went all the way down to damn near flat, I believe. But, I went to bed. Then I think we was hovering around the 600 mark. So he gave the speech. We started tanking. I'm like, oh, here we go. And then he started doing those name drops, and it started going up. So I started thinking, man, wait, the futures was 700 down. We went limit up. Good reversal. It's Friday. I was waiting for the sell-off on Friday. No sell-off. We're closing at the highs. I started thinking, all the bad news is out for the most part. We already know shit's closing all over America. Damn. Woo. We already know shit's closing across America, right? So what bad news can come out? We know more people's going to get it. So I'm like, all right, Monday could be a long day. It might not be Black Monday scenario again. So I decided to buy mall calls. I took the profits. Let's go ahead and stay long a little bit. And that's where I'm at. Let's see what happens on Monday. I think it was a little short squeeze, but it could be a temporary bottom, especially if they come out this weekend with the economic package. So if they come out with the, let me see something, all chat messages available. Okay, nobody's chatting. If they come out with the economic package, that might be the extra boost, you know. So we'll see what happens. A market like this is funny. We was the biggest drop ever, was it yesterday or the day before the crash of 87? Then we damn near the biggest up day ever, you know, almost ever. I think 2008 somewhere was an up day like this, but not point wise, I don't believe. So what do? You know, its market is very hard to trade, you know, so it's just kind of luck. And like, who knows how it's going to open in the morning. But I do think it's still bearish. The trend is, you know, you want to sell the rips. We're in a bear market, but you never know, man. This, if we could get a good grip on this virus, and there's good possibilities that we could end it, you know, it looks good, and, you know, we could start diminishing like China, even though we think those numbers are fake. You know, maybe we could start, maybe that was the bottom, and we could start just creeping up, you know, regular, because stocks are destroyed, man. That's a lot of good deals out there. I'm looking at WestRock. I want to get into WestRock. That's the cardboard box maker, manufacturer, or whatever. They yield 7.1. Just a month ago, they was yielding 4.5. So I want to look at that. I want to look at Disney. And I bought stocks today. I bought stocks. What did I buy? And I was like, I held off on Disney because it just was, you know, now it was at 9, it opened up at 99, went back to 93. What is this person doing? And then it closed at 99 or something, 103. So I'm like, oh, I might have missed that move. Damn it. But anyway, there's a lot of deals out there. You got to scoop them up, you know, try to have some cash or whatever, or get rid of your bad stocks and buy the good ones with dividends. This is definitely a dividend, you know, kind of market, you know, to I'm sorry, I'm trying to back and whatnot to get those dividends, right? So that's what you want to do, you know. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to, Monday I'm going to make sure I got some good quality stocks in there, get rid of the garbage, and I do for the most part. I was just checking it out. I got almost all my stocks pay dividend. It's not my options portfolio, it's my dividend, my stock portfolio. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm doing, and it's working out. It's working out good. Yeah, so check out some of the REITs as well. Some of the REITs have just got destroyed, you know. So yeah, look at some of those, especially the REITs like the triple net leases, you know, where the customer pays for everything and you just collect rents, you know what I mean? So those are good REITs to own, you know. So check those out, and that's it. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I did. Let's see what happens Monday. And you know, different style video today. I didn't hey cigar, hey, what's up, man? Yeah, different style of video today. I didn't have the screens because I slept all day, and then I woke up last minute. I'm sitting here in my drawers like, all right, I'm gonna buy. I just really like that closing action. Just think of the overnight futures. We was down 700, and think of the record we was up today, limit high. Now that's a serious rip. You just never know. And I was looking at some of the stocks, and I'm looking at some of the bottoming action, and some of the stocks that I was looking at was kind of having a bottoming formation even before today. So it just made me go long. Let's see what happens next week. I don't think we're going straight up. I think we definitely going back down. But hey, make a little money on this upside. We down straight. What, we went down straight 3,000-4,000 points or whatever. We got to get some of that back. Let's make some money on that. You know, so that's my thinking. That's my idea. All right. So everyone have a good weekend. And I'll talk to you guys later, man. I'll probably do my Saturday video, my Saturday or Sunday, because I don't know which day. Probably gonna be tomorrow though, and we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching. This is Dre. I'm out. Peace.